Today we will be learning how to log into Renaissance Place. The students use this for AR testing, which is Accelerated Reader, and they also use this for our state testing this year. So it is very important that they know how to log in on their own. So this is the way that we guide them in how to log in and access Accelerated Reader. The first thing they're going to do is double click Renaissance Place. Every student is given a unique username and password. So click I am a student. Use the username and password that is provided in your folder and press login. Okay, once you see this screen, the 360 is the STAR testing, but the orange box is Accelerated Reader. So you're going to click once on Accelerated Reader, and it will pull you open to find a book. Type in the quiz number that is provided on the front inside of your book and press search. Make sure that the picture beside the title right here matches the cover of your book and that the level is also the same. Press Take Quiz if all that is correct. You will then choose whether you were read to, you read with someone, or if you read by yourself. In most cases, it will be I read by myself. And then you would normally press Start Quiz right here in the blue. When you are done with the test, you come back to your home screen and press Bookshelf. And the books are categorized or sorted by months. So you will look at the very first book on the top of the page, and you can click this book and run your TOPS report, which will show you the score that you made on your test. So on this particular quiz, the book was Pete the Cat. The percentage was 100%. You will click Close on the TOPS report. You will click back, and it's still thinking. And then up here by your name, you will press the name and the blue log out. That is how we will log into Renaissance Place in order to take an AR test.